Hi guys, today we're going to do the KYOK stitch. This is a knit, yarn over, knit into the same stitch and increases your 1 stitch to 3 stitches. It's a good stitch for increases. It can be used in shawls, actually anything that you need to put increases into, but it makes a nice decorative increase. Let's get started. Do a few knits first. Okay, so we're going to knit, yarn over, knit into the same stitch, and you've increased your 1 stitch to 3. Do that again. Knit, yarn over, knit into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3 stitches. One more time. Knit, yarn over, knit, 1, 2, 3. Now I'll do it the other way as well so you can see. So we're going to knit, we're going to yarn over, and we're going to knit into the same stitch. One more time. Knit, yarn over, and knit into the same stitch. So we've increased 1, 2, 3. That's your KYOK stitch. Happy knitting.